Friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a bit of a haul update. I've just come back from Kmart and a few other little shops and picked up a few little goodies for a reasonably decent price. And I wanted to go through what I've purchased today because I believe that colouring supplies do not always have to cost the earth. We can find some brilliant bits and pieces that can fit within our budget. So let's go through them, shall we? Okay, so the first find, I went to Big W and purchased Wondrous Folk by Christine Karen. Now, I think this is her latest release. I'm pretty sure, 99.999% sure. So I was really excited to purchase this one on the back of a video that I've just released on the channel, which is how to approach a new coloring book from a new artist that you've never colored before. And so this is the second book of hers. So I was really excited to dive in, and I found this, like I was saying, at Big W for a really decent price. I think I paid $18 Australian, which is actually on the cheaper side for a colouring book, especially for a colouring book of this standard and this paper. It is such a great price. So I'm very keen to dive into this one, and I know that this book is also all over YouTube as well. I've seen a few videos come through, so lots of mermaids in this one. So very keen to dive in. Oh, I've never coloured teeth before, have you? I'm excited to colour teeth. Oh, that one's pretty. So I'm slowly just adding to my colouring book collection as I find books at a good price. I do try and purchase them at the store to save on shipping, but sometimes you can't always do that. So that one looks really nice as well. So I'm looking forward to picking up where I left off in the other book of hers, the Wildflower Folk, I think it was. That's one. This is Wondrous Folk. So that is this little number there. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. So that was a great price. The other colouring book that I purchased from Kmart is this artist colouring book. Now this is spiral bound. I absolutely love this book. Now I found this in the art section, so not the colouring book section. This was found in the arts and crafts section where you would find all your pencils, your pens, your notebooks, your other little hobby crafts, things like that. And the good thing about this is this is really thick paper and you can tear them out too. And they're single-sided. So I think I'm going to throw a lot of mediums at this. So I am thinking my Neo Colors, I am thinking my acrylic paint pens, and definitely my alcohol markers as well. So there's lots of big floral pieces that we could do. And this was $7 from Kmart. Would you believe? $7, which I think is, for a book, let me show you how thick it is. For a book like, that's not going to focus, but for a book that's fairly thick, it's actually such a great price. And I think as much as I have certain books that I like to use my alcohol markers in and my acrylic markers, sometimes it's good to have bigger designs so that there's more room to add layers and depth and dimension when using mediums other than pencil. And I am looking forward to, like, that is huge. I'm looking forward to trying a few of these out because I don't always want to use pencil. I mean, while my Prismacolors are always going to be my BFF forever, sometimes you just want to try different mediums, yeah? Like that one looks really fun. I know that Johanna Basford has a few styles such as this, but I'm keen to give this a try in A, single-sided book, but B, something that has a paper that is a bit thicker that I think is going to cope with different mediums just a little bit more. I think because it's marketed at that. That one looks fun too. So yes, if you're in Australia, Kmart, $7 in the arts and craft section. They have, so this is flowers and plants and whatnot, but they do have one that's food-based, so it's like ice creams and cakes and all that, and there's also one that's a bit more architecture-y, so there's like little cottages and landscapes and rivers and whatnot, so a bit of your cityscape, your country lifestyle scenes and whatnot. So there's 3 different types that I found, and I'm really excited to dive into that one because I do have another brand of alcohol marker that is coming my way soon. So I'm hoping that I might be able to do a review in this book, or there's another book that I have too that I might dive into. So that one was super fun. The next thing that I have to show you that's actually not color related is I've purchased my first diamond art painting from Kaiser Craft. I went into the store because I have one next to the Kmart that I go to, and I don't know if you can see the picture here. It says native florals, so Australian natives, which I thought would be really pretty. And this one is 500 by 400 millimeters, so not too huge, but enough to get a bit of detail in and for me to really gauge if this is something that I want to pursue. So let me know if this is something that you would like to see up on the channel. If you would like to see me unbox this and try it for the first time and give you my thoughts and go through it purely for entertainment purposes, I suppose, let me know. And I can certainly include a video. Now, this kit includes the adhesive canvas, the sparkly dots, of course, the wax caddy, the pen, the tray, and what's this stylus thing? I'm not sure. I have checked out a couple of YouTube videos on how to exactly use these. So Kaiser Crafts have these for, as you can see, $28.99. If you are interested in trying one of these, I really love the look of the Diamond Art Club ones. I've seen those on a few channels now. I'm just wanting to do something little first before I go deep dive into that, because I don't want to invest in something that I'm ultimately not going to enjoy. So yes, let me know if you would like to see me have a crack at this up on the channel. I'm always up for something new. The next thing that I have here is some origami paper, and it's really cute. This was from Kmart as well, and always double-sided as they are. So what I'm going to do, I think I may have mentioned it on one of my videos recently. I got the idea from A Pictured Purpose. So Kira has bought this exact paper from Kmart herself because she's also lives in Australia, and she's made these little book corners, and I made some out of like just normal like craft paper myself. They are quite thick, so I'm interested in making some out of origami, and I love that they're origami paper, and I love that they're double-sided. So I'm looking forward to doing something fun with those. Now this pack is $4. Cheap as. You certainly don't need to go out and buy super expensive paper if it's something that you're doing for the first time. And yes, I suppose in today's economic climate across the globe, I think it is very fitting and very relevant for us to be looking for things that don't break the budget, that we can actually enjoy and afford. So that's a huge pack. So yeah, love that. Okay, the next thing I've got is one of these storage containers. Now, I put all my gel pens in these per brand, so I have about 4 of these already, and they're the perfect size for pens. So I have one for each gel pen brand, so one for Pentel, one for Ohuhu markers, one for, the Ohuhu glitter markers, one for Jelly Roll, one for Signo, and this one is going to be for my Thule Art paint pens because they're currently sitting in their box, and I like all of my pens, gel pens and paint pens and whatnot, to sit flat, because if you have them upended, then the ink can pull to one side and it's not necessarily great for ink flow. So this $2.50 from Kmart. Co is the Kmart brand. So I've got one of those. I'll take this off. I think these are originally used for fridge storage because you can find them in the fridge section, like the fridge kitchen storage section. It's huge in Kmart. But totally use them for storing office supplies, and they've got like little rubber feet on the bottom as well, so they're not going to slip around. So again, really cheap little purchase. You certainly don't have to go to your storage shops these days and spend like $15, $20 on one. You can just go to Kmart, or I think even in the US, if Walmart have them, and just get them for $2.50. Really cheap, which I think is a great idea. And they do the job. Sorry, I don't mean to tap that for ASMR purposes. I was tapping it because it's like, feels fairly sturdy. I don't know about you guys, but I really hate the tapping. I cannot stand the tapping on influencer videos. It kills me in all the worst ways. So that was that one. And my last purchase for today was these little storage stackable drawers from Kmart as well. Let me open this up for you. Now these are great. I put my Neo colors in here. I store them by colour, and I just wanted to get another one because I also store distress inks in them. I store my pencils that need to be glued together, and I also store the pencils that have been glued together. So these are great. So they've got these little divots in here, so you can actually stack them, and if you flip them over, they've got the inverse there, so you can actually stack them on top of each other and they don't move. And so the drawers are just like so. Perfect little size for your pens too. Again, good for keeping everything flat. You can just, you put other things in there. You can just store whatever you want. So like I said, I keep my Neo colors in here and I store them in color family, I suppose. And then they're perfect for putting distress inks. Like you can fit 2 in and you can stack about 3 or 4. Perfect for anything. They're a little bit small for full size pencils, I think, but they could probably fit your pencils in once they're sharpened down a little bit. So there's 3. Now these were $8, which I think perfect. I think if you were to go anywhere else, for example, in Australia, if you were to go to Bunnings or something like that, you're probably going to pay a little bit more. Very cost-effective storage solutions if you're looking for something like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to dive into all these little bits and bobs that we got today. I am especially excited to dive into the diamond painting. Again, if the diamond painting is something that you would like me to unpack on the channel, let me know and I can certainly do that. However, if it's something that you just don't care about, that's fine. I'll do it off camera. It's all good. I really don't mind either way, but especially excited about these 2 colouring books here, and I'm looking forward to diving in. Let me know if you would like any tutorials or any further information on any of these products that we have here today. Again, most of it was from Kmart, apart from this book, which was from Big W for $18, and then Kaisercraft, however you like to say it. I have seen as well, so when I was in Kaisercraft this morning, they did give me a voucher for 50% off that they're just handing out to everyone that is relevant for the next 7 days. So if there's a Kaisercraft store near you, and if you're looking to stock up on anything, whether it be gifts, they have a huge range of gifts for kids now. And they've got some stationery and candles and soaps and things like that. So if you're looking at stocking up on anything, I would suggest going in and then grabbing a voucher, and then you can get 50% off subsequent purchases for the next 7 days. So today is the 15th of June. So it starts tomorrow on the 16th of June. So that little 50% off card is available for everyone. That is handing them out to everyone as everyone purchases things. And I think if you're a VIP with them, I think you can get 15% off as well. I'm not a VIP. I rarely shop there. This is the first purchase I've made from them in months. Years, in fact, potentially. I used to go here all the time for scrapbooking when I was back into that in the day. I'm keen. I'm super keen. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.